There's three ways you can get James Hardy colors. You could buy a prime and paint it, which is the least durable, the most expensive, but it is a valid option, okay? Especially if you don't have, if contractors have unskilled labor, guys that don't want to make perfect cuts, they don't know how to seal everything. Caulking and painting kind of solves all issues, but it's like the most expensive, least durable, least, it's got the shortest longevity for a homeowner. Most people pick one of Hardy's standard colors. It's called their statement collection. They have 18 standard siding colors, 5 standard trim colors. That's where about 90% of our clients and what the market chooses. There's also what's called the Dream Collection, where Hardy's got 19 through 800 colors. It's essentially Sherwin-Williams extended fan deck. But if you walk in a Sherwin-Williams store, you're paying you're not paying a premium. So if you buy 2 colors of their white, duck white or James Hardy Arctic white, they're kind of the same price when you go to Sherwin-Williams. But when you buy it from Hardy, there's a pretty significant paint difference, okay? So first, it's understanding how can I choose a color? Most people pick a James Hardy statement color, and right now, for the last kind of 12 months, blue's been very popular. So 2025, James Hardy named Evening Blue their color of the year, and I don't know if it's because of that or just broader trends. We're doing a lot of blue this year. Grays are still very popular. We're seeing less and less earth tones, so kind of the traditional Johnson County beige is what's been out the last 3 or 4 years, and I anticipate that's going to be the same thing for 2026. And so we're still seeing very bold blues, grays, different mix of colors, and a lot of times we're still seeing white trim just because it really pops and gives a bold contrast to nowadays. You drive around Jackson or Wyandotte, Johnson County, and you see siding trim all the same color, and you see more and more people trying to add some distinction and some flair to the exterior.